Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Egerton Newman, president of the Transport Operators Development Services, is warning the commuting public to brace for an increase in fares because of the increase in the price of fuel and accessories due to the current war between USA, Israel, and Iran. He also pointed out to RJR News that the transport sector is still waiting on the 16% fare hike promised by the government 2 years ago, while indicating that an application for another fare hike is now due. He said he will be meeting with Transport Minister Darrell Vaz on Thursday. The transport sector accounts for approximately 8% of GDP. 3 companies listed on the stock exchange released financial results. First up, Sagicor Group Jamaica reports an increase in profits for the year ending December 2025. The company posted net profit of $16.22 billion, a 75% jump over what was earned in 2024. Group President and Chief Executive Officer Christopher Zaka says the performance reflects stronger core earnings, growth across major business lines, and a recovery in the investment portfolio. Next, Tropical Battery says it has returned to profitability after posting double-digit revenue growth for the 2025 financial year. The energy solutions provider moved from a $102.9 million loss in the same period last year to a $51.7 million net profit this quarter. Revenue increased 6.2% to $1.6 billion, while gross margin expanded to 40.6%. And finally, Grace Kennedy reported solid revenue growth for the year ended December 31, with top-line earnings rising to 177.8 billion Jamaican dollars, an increase of 6.4% over 2024. The group said the performance reflects the resilience of its diversified business model, strong brand portfolio, and continued expansion across international markets. For the trading period of March 3, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,266,704 units, or 18.68% of market sales activities. Kent Tire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,504,473 units, representing 14.32% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial Shares with 1,715,786 units, representing 9.81% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, media, and financial management plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 3, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.20 and buying at $155.42. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.57 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.89 and was bought for $114.46. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of 90 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $208.11 and was bought for $209.01. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, once couples understand their starting point, the credit report becomes a planning document. Many couples are thinking about major financial moves such as buying a home, starting a business, purchasing vehicles, investing, expanding family responsibilities. And yet lenders evaluate risk, consistency, and financial stability. By reviewing the report together, couples can identify which debts should be reduced first, which accounts should remain open to strengthen credit history, how to improve credit scores strategically, what financial milestones must be reached before applying for funding. So instead of reacting to a bank's decision, couples can prepare for it. The credit report helps shift the mindset from can we qualify to how do we position ourselves to win financially. This is where couples begin moving from survival-based financial decisions to strategy-based ones. For our funded and focused feature, when we talk about AI as a tool or a department in your business, consider how it actually works to help you get funded. AI can help you write social media posts, create marketing emails, generate ideas for products and services, research what customers want, follow up with leads automatically. Example, instead of spending 6 hours writing content, AI can help produce a week of marketing content in about 30 minutes. This means more visibility, more leads, and more potential sales. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.